Right, this is the solution video to the puzzle that we call simultaneous sequences. And if you can't remember what it was, basically it's this. You make two simultaneous equations using a linear sequence.
What were they? Was it 4,
7
and 10?
So basically you write the sequence out and then you put x, y equals, what was it, 10, 6, 2?
10, 6, 2, that was it. So 10, 6, 2, so x plus 6, y equals 2.
And the trick was that as long as these are linear sequences, the solution to the pair is always x equals minus 1 and y equals 2. And the puzzle was, why does that work?
So we're going to use a bit of algebra.
So we use a bit of algebra, and the way to do it is just to think about the nature of a sequence, of an equation that is made from a linear sequence. So do you want to
go for it? So let's say we had a starting term A, and then we wanted a difference as well. So it's going to have a difference of B every time, so that'll go to A plus B, another difference of B. So then you get A plus 2B. So these are your first three terms.
Just like with the...
Yeah, go for it, and I'll rub out my little smiley face B's. Cool.
So the structure of the equation is ax and then a plus by equals a plus 2b. And really, the way to see this is just to think about what do we know about an equation that has that structure. And what we can do is multiply it out.
Okay, go for it. Yeah, so that's going to be a times y and then b times y equals a plus 2b.
And if we collect all the a terms onto the left hand side and all the b terms onto the right hand side.
So I'm going to keep ax plus ay over here and then take away a, and that's going to be 2b, take away by. I feel like Rachel Riley.
So if we factorise this now, like if we take a out on this side and we take b out on this side, we end up with this equation. Now remember that it's a and b are the two things that change in all the different equations that we could make that have this structure. So these could be different things each time, but we know that we can solve this equation. One solution to this equation is that this bracket, if this bracket equals 0 and this bracket equals 0, then this equation, that will be a solution to this equation. Well, for this bracket to equal 0 here, y is going to be equal to 2. But if y is 2, then
x plus 2 minus 1, which is x plus 1. So x has to be minus 1 in order to make this 0.
So basically what we know is that any equation that has this structure with the linear sequence will always pass through the point minus 1, comma 2. And so that goes for this equation and this equation. But another thing that we know is that if we were to graph these, both of these are straight lines. And if you have two straight lines, they only intersect at one point, if they intersect at all. And since minus 1 and 2 is a solution to both of them, that's where they cross, and that's the solution to the equations. That's basically how it works.
I think that's it.
That's it.